Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a light, actually a really cool portable cordless light that the company did send me, did compensate and make a video and review just to talk about a little bit about this and show you what it is and how it works. It's a really nice, very large tube lighting, LED tube light's what it's called. This has a huge 10,400 milliamp battery, three bright settings. It has SOS and it has flashing, almost like an emergency flash. Real quick here, do a quick unboxing. This is how it comes. So it came no problems. It came safe and sound, fairly easy. Take everything out of the package right there. Super easy. Take that out. And here is your super fast unboxing. So what is included, they give you a lanyard because this is portable. You can take this camping. If you're cooking outside, it has magnets on the bottom here. So you can hook this to your grill. If you have a workshop, a toolbox, it doesn't really matter. Super versatile and super compact. I do like that as well. So I got the magnets here. It does come with a lanyard. So if you want to carry it with you, if you're going camping or RVing, whatever it is, you can have a lanyard. It does come with the USB-A to USB-C charging port. It does come with that as well. It charges pretty quickly. Took a couple of hours, but that's fine. And also these discs. Now what these discs are, if you don't have a magnetic surface, these discs you can just pop into a magnetic surface and you can use this any way you want. And these discs are pretty heavy duty discs, pretty thick, and they have self-adhesive here. So you just stick it to the bottom of your cabinet or stick it somewhere that doesn't have, let's say, a magnet, and bam, you're good to go. They stick just like that. So you can just see how easy that is. Let's take that to the side. So that's the accessories. Now, what is this? It's a really nice, it's basically a portable light. I think this is fantastic, especially for emergencies, things like that. It's got a lot of time on it. This thing will burn for hours and hours. Like it says here, I was just looking at the back of the box real quick, and just things you need to know. So stick with me because this is important stuff. This is why you're watching these videos, to learn about this stuff, okay? Again, it's got that huge battery, right? So on low, which is the low setting, I'll show you that in a minute, 80 hours of use. So if you have power outage, 80 hours is a long time. Medium, 16 hours, and high brightness, 8 hours. SOS, 28 hours, and they're calling a bursting flash, almost like an emergency flash. That'll run 16 hours. Those are fantastic numbers, guys. That's because it has a huge battery, and this is hefty. This is not a lightweight thing. There's a lot of battery in here, so that's why you have so much power behind it, which is important. That has a USB-C port here. This is where you charge it. And right there, 10,400 milliamp battery, and I believe it is that because it's pretty hefty. On the button, the other side here, we do have the little switch right here, the power button, and super easy to use. You just tap it. So let's just set this light off so you can see better. I want you to see. So right here is on. So this is the low. Here is the medium. Here is the high. Let me shut that off again. Low, medium, high. Now to activate the SOS, you just hold down the button. Okay, first you got the flashing, and then you have the SOS. In 1 second, it'll go into SOS mode. Now you can see it's flashing in SOS mode. So it'll give you that SOS mode continuous. So if you're trying to look for help or different things like that, this is what that is for. And then when you shut it off, you hold it back down, it goes back to high, and then you press it again to shut the power off. And those are the three settings. So I'm going to go in some, show you some different versatile ways to use it. Some dark rooms. I'm going to show you some comparison. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow this video for more information on products just like this. Also, in a pinch, if you need to recharge this, you can recharge this. Also, with your laptop, you can. That's easily just pop your laptop in here. You can recharge it with that. Any kind of portable charger whatsoever. And even you can even use a solar charger if you have an outside solar charger. Pop it in there and it'll actually charge it up all day. So if you need that as well. So those are some versatility, some different things that a lot of people don't talk about. Aluminum construction, really high quality. This is not garbage. Drop resisting. Not to worry about it breaking and shattering. It's not your traditional fluorescent light. Nothing quite like that at all. Super bright, rechargeable, and powerful. And this will go up to 6,000 luminous. That's pretty bright. That's a lot of power. 6,000 luminous. That is a lot of light for a small, compact item. As you can see here, it is pretty bright. Let me shut my overhead light off real quick. I want you to see. Get that off, and you can just see I got the overhead light on. It is pretty nice and bright. Really, very handy, especially when those power outages. Really important to have.
Okay, guys, I'm in my basement because this is the darkest place I can find to just demonstrate the light. It is magnetic, like I told you. Here is a piece of metal. It's my furnace. Stick it right on. This is a great option. You know, you're working on your car, you're working on a furnace, you're like cooking outside, doesn't matter. That's the first level, second and third level. You can see that. Here is the emergency. I'll hold it down. There's the emergency flash. Hold it down again. And it goes right into the SOS. Hold it down again. Goes to high, and then press it again, shuts it off. That is the particular how you turn it on, turn it off, and cycle through the different modes. Now again, stick it any way you want. You can see Really easy. I like that. Really compact and convenient. I'm going to shut the light off here, and I'm going to show you exactly how much light it gives off in total darkness. Let me just shut this light off. Hopefully I can still see. Okay, now we're in pitch black. As you can see, I mean pitch black. I can't, where's my hand here? Okay, now I'm going to turn this on. There we go. So there is the low. Here's the wall, so you can see. There's the medium. And there's the high. That is pretty good. I mean, that is really good light. You know what I mean? You're going to have a ton of time. Many, many, many hours in emergency situation here. You can just see how nice and bright it is right in front of me. And if I want to walk around with it, there you go. You just walk around here in my basement. You can just see how easy it is to walk around. Things happen. You know, things break down, whatever it is, the power goes out, whatever it may be, you have an emergency light. That is absolutely amazing. Here's a metal beam I have right here. Metal beam. Got the light off, you can't see. Put on low. There is the metal beam. So I have a metal beam in my basement. I could put it right there for emergency. Absolutely fantastic. So you can see how versatile this is. Camping, RVing, emergency, power goes out, hurricanes, tornadoes, blizzards. It doesn't really matter. I'm definitely going to recommend this, guy. This is made very, very, very well. I am a big fan of high quality items. I'll put the light on so you can see. And this is definitely one of them. So go ahead and pick this up. You're going to be very happy. I'm happy. I think it's a nice quality. I'm going to keep this one because I like to keep good quality stuff, and this is definitely good quality stuff. And that's what I have for you guys. Hope you enjoy. And it's called Letour, L-E-T-O-U-R. Letour is the name of the company. And I definitely think this is definitely a winner for sure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this so I can educate you, motivate you, and inspire you to buy awesome products like this. This thing is absolutely amazing. Nice and big and lots of power. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.